The systematizing of deception is in religion in general. However, Christianity has had a way of mastering the art of
which
deception.
is why they're the most popular.
Yes, they are the most popular, especially certain denominations. And oh boy, have they mastered that systematizing of deception. Oh my goodness, yes, of course. Especially, and I will mention it, the Pentecostal branches and evangelical ones. Because those branches, those denominations, they are very oriented to outer form. Like great music, great singing, good dancing, exactly, good clothing and dressing, charisma of the speakers, you know, things like that. Oh yes, they have mastered the art. Oh yes.
Yeah, so Christianity would be the main religion, obviously, because it comes in the name of Christ. But it's also Islam, Judaism, Mormonism, atheism is just a reaction to religion.
Well, I see